Hi everyone. Today is March 22nd, 2024, and it is my birthday, and I am here at the cabin. I woke up an hour ago, but I just went outside to check and enjoy this morning with my cup of coffee, and look what I've found. Horses, guys. Guess they're neighbors' horses, so it's fine. But I'm so surprised to see them be on my birthday. Hello, good evening. So welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm going to talk about updates on my cross stitching and paint by numbers. So I have done a lot because I have been doing it every night. So let me go there right away. Yeah, hold on. So let me first show you the update, what I've done with my paint by numbers. So this is By the Lake by Skipper. Okay, so I had to look for a video of how they pronounced it properly. Shipper, paint by numbers. I think that was she said, shipper. So I got this shipper paint by numbers from Germany. It was a little bit expensive, but I really like it for my house, for my house decoration, and I think yeah. Well, I like shipper. Like I did completed one of their paint by numbers kit, and then this is the second one, and this is actually a three parts kind of painting. I forgot what they call it, but I'm gonna put the word because I don't know as of right now. I forgot, but I will Google it and put the word because I forgot the term. Just to be safe, I don't want to say something and I'm wrong. So I have completed one panel, and I'm working on the second panel, which is the center, and almost close to finishing that. And let me show you the first panel of a shipper paint by number kits. So here's the first one. The trick about paint by numbers is to look the painting a little bit away from you. If you look closer, you'll see all those kind of cells, and it won't look like nice. You won't be able to picture out what it would look like if you look at it closely. So, but if you just do it from afar like this one, I think you can picture this out. This is done, so you can really see it. There's a boat on this side, and then I'm working on the middle part, but this is not yet finished. So this is the dock, and this is the boat, and this half of it is done, and I'm still working on the sky, this white part here. So if I going to put them together, that's how it looks like right now. So if this has to be framed separately, and then you have to display it on the wall like that, and there's a third piece over here. So it's a 3-part picture, and you don't really want to do like that. You have to put it separately like that. But anyways, hope you can see it. I think I'm in cinematic mode, that's why it always captures my face, and I hope it's not that blurry. But yeah, that is what I'm doing right now with the paint by numbers, and I'm really having fun. I am still working on it, and I have to work on it full double time so I can display it in one of the bedrooms. We actually only have 2 bedrooms in this house because I used the other one for my office and craft room. So next is the American sampler, and this is the American sampler. I have a lampshade here, and let's do it like that so you can see. So here's my progress for that American sampler. Let me put it up so I can see it. Here's where I'm at. So I started the queen stitches there. They recommended 3 strands of floss. I just used 2 because it's hard to work on 3 on this 28 count even weave. I stopped because I needed to find another floss. I thought I have all the floss. I've gathered all the floss, but I missed one, so I need to get that. So I just focused on this column. This is actually done here, and even completed this today, the wordings. Now I need to finish this column and the arc over here. So yeah, this is my progress. Gonna hide this I hope, oh my god, it's not really, see. So that's my progress for my American sampler. But tonight I actually put this down because I want to take a break from it. This, you know, all this stain over here, it just makes me upset and mad a little bit. Because I will try to hand wash it, but I think it's paint. It's an acrylic paint. I think it's not good news for me. But so I decided to pick up this project and stitch on this today. So this is the kitty bench warmers. And here's my progress. So not a lot, but that's the from left to right, that's the first page. I'm now working trying to work on 10 by 10 squares every time. But yeah, I'm still having fun. I want to spend another 30 minutes on this tonight before I put it down. So I'll do another. I need to clean my bathroom. No, I need to clean my kitchen. So, but I'm just so lazy. It's Sunday, so I'm allowed to just sit down and do nothing. But I need to do that, clean all the stuff, and I also need to start preparing my tax return. I haven't done it yet, so yeah, that is something I'm not looking forward to doing, but I think I need to start doing that tonight. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you. There's nothing else, and I hope you have a wonderful weekdays. Happy stitching, and thank you so much for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing. See you later. Bye.